Good afternoon, everyone. Our group name is FASS. For this presentation, we will mention about our project detail and how to manage the IME project. Let me introduce our team first. My name is Amy. I'm the project manager, and I'm responsible for monitor the project status and overall issue. According to our team members' strength and experience, Sunny had the responsible for making the cost plan and preparing the project justification and organization chart for IME project. Stephanie did the research of the document and prepared the quality control and the presentation slide. Frances changed the critical path and the game chart for IME project and reviewed the documents. Later, she will upload our video file to the website. For this coursework, we think about the time is most important. If there is any delays for our project, we may fail to submit our coursework. Our expected finish date will 31 March. I can closely monitor our project progress by using critical path and game chart, clear responsibility, the deliverable, and weekly meeting. Everything went well until the value was not available on that day. So this makes our project have a little bit delay. The actual finish date is today, 9 April. Second thing we consider is the quality. Let's take the documentation as the example. Our team divided into two parts. One was to write the document, and the other will the review. This is to ensure our document in a good quality. Our team thought 6 possible bits for our project. According to the impact and the probability of currency, we put them in the weekly assessment matrix, which is shown on this slide. Unfortunately, the RV, the value and facility for presentation recurring came true. Francis made more effort to fix this issue so that we can have the place to record before the submission day. For the rest of the time, our team member will explain the IME project. First, Stephanie will describe the project certification and definition as well as follows.
Thank you, Amy. We are planning for the project Digital Media Exchange, and we name it IME. This project is to develop a website which allowed users to make subscription over the internet. Here, we see what our project includes. Worldwide web server to host the digital media is to increase the availability. To link to the main catalog to the old system to increase the capability to the old system. Secure payment processing system is to protect our user security. Register the priority service search engine is to increase our probability of our company. We also provide user chaining and feed file to the existing accounting system. We exclude power failure, hackers, and natural disasters from our project. Here we talk about our project justification. System automation allows us to save much time for manual processing. It also decreases the chance for manual mistake. Payback period is also a key concern to our project. For this one, we use 4 years to cover all costs and generate profit. We also increase our business opportunity. As much process performing automatically, therefore we have a low additional cost. We can see much business has go internet. We have to step in and follow the trend. Let me pass to Francis to talk about the techniques we have used in the project.
Good afternoon. Today I would like to introduce what's the basic requirement in project management. Each company known as fee constraint or project management triangle. They have close relationship with each other. Time means on time. Most projects have an absolute deadline that cannot be missed without severe detriment to the organization. It is different from the completion deadline of the project. A deadline sometimes may not ensure completion of a task. However, compensation of additional resources can do, but an impact to the cost will arise. Cost means within budget. All projects have finite resources that usually measures in terms of cost. There will be an agreed budget. The project manager must decide proper allocation of resources. Reducing costs will be likely to impact the quality and the time of that project. And quality means to reach a required quality. We must ensure the work produced is of the right quality and meet the client's requirement. However, higher quality can easily lead to higher costs. Hence, a defined deliverable will include a statement of the desired quality. Here is the critical path, a significant tool for project management is critical path. First, we need to generate a work breakdown structure and to define work packages so that we can correctly assign tasks to each unit. By doing so, we can use the Microsoft project to build critical path and finally become a comprehensive Gantt chart when resources were added. Here is the diagram of critical path. Red boxes are critical since delay on this task may cause project delay unless additional resources were added. And blue boxes are non-critical. It has tolerant characteristics. It normally runs parallel with other tasks. However, when last finished time cannot be accomplished, it will become a new critical task. Well, follow on is my teammate, Sunny, will explain what's the benefit and cost of her analysis. Thank you.
Thank you, Francis. Regarding the cost we need in these projects, we have done the cost and benefit analysis to estimate the project cost. We used discounted cash flow method for our analysis. According to the original cost plan, we found that there is a 182,000 loss in our 6-year plan. After considering every individual cost and income, we have made some adjustment. Under the revised cost, we have an overall gain 131,000 in our projects and also can be break even within the year 4. This is our revised cost plan. Firstly, we found that as we are a part of the big internet portal company, we have a very good bargaining power with the supplier. Therefore, we adjust the cost of royalties from 1.25 million to 1.125 million, around 10% reductions. Secondly, we consider that the part of the project staff cost should be allocated to the year 1 of the life run in order to prepare for any contingency plan. Finally, after looking at the competitors' website and the market research, almost all of our competitors have advertisement business placed in their website. With our reputation in the internet world, we have confidence to get advertising business from the year 2 of the life run. We expect an income 26,000 in the year 2 of the life run and with 5% growth in every year afterwards. That's all for the cost and benefit analysis and the revise. I will pass to the Stephanie for the quality control. Thank you.
Quality is one of the 3 vital components in our success project. To perform control over the quality, we applied validation and verification approach. These are the deliverables of our project. Usually, they are used to check these 2 V's. We also do end-stage review. The project board would based on these deliverables. And we also will consider a plan for developing the task beyond the project scope. When time and budget are allowed, the board will give ad hoc direction. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.